Hello guys, this is HexDNF again. We're going to work the accounting approach into the Caterpillar case. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. Welcome to the accounting approach Caterpillar case. Looking for private Excel classes? Need to get done a research paper, fix a document, or a class routine? If yes, you are on the right place. Scan the QR code or go to the channel bio and click on any of the links indicated. Bye-bye. Step 1. Build your data table. Step 2. Define the assets. In this step, begin writing the concepts and then the numbers. Begin typing the numbers. Once you've done here, define the assets by summing all the concepts. Now you may start with the right side, liabilities and equity. And repeat the same process as we did at the beginning. Once you've done with the balance sheet, you must verify that both sides must equal the same number. Now let's go ahead to the second part of the exercise. In this part, we must define the financial debt and the net working capital. My recommendation is to work organizedly, relaxed, and calmly. Now we are going to calculate the net working capital, which is current assets minus current liabilities. Now let's figure out the net financial debt. And we are done here. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Stay tuned for the market approach. See you next video. Bye bye. Stay tuned for the market approach. Didn't get it? Watch the Accounting Approach Part 1 and Accounting Approach Part 2.